Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you in this mobile problem sim not supported. So now I want to remove and lock this problem. So first of all I want to connect this sim card and this mobile. Connect sim card. When you insert your sim, so here you can see hello screen and activation required. So now I want to activation. Click continue, do it. If you like my videos then subscribe my channel. Here you can see sim not supported. Now you have to download this tool, and then you can download this tool software. If you like my videos then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You have to download this tool, and then you can fix problem in this tool. So now let's start how to unlock sim card. So guys, you have to download and sim card tool. If you like my videos then subscribe my channel and then press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now you have to download this sim unlocker, and then you have to desktop bring this file and launch install. After that launch this file, open this software, do it, and you can see here unlock your iPhone sim lock. Now you have to connect your mobile iPhone, click home button and start it. So now click unlock. So guys, here you can see jailbreak downloading, and do it. When jailbreak download complete, jailbreak file is download completed, and now you have to restart your computer. Start it and select this file and start. Click yes for extracting, installing jailbreak. USB flash file you have to drive. Jailbreak installing completed. Now you have to restart your computer and press F9 for boot. Select USB, and now you have to choose UFI mode. Connect your mobile and hello screen, and now you have to click start here. Enter recovery mode. Power off this mobile. If you like my videos then subscribe my channel. Now guys, you have to press volume button and connect this power button, power cable. Do it. Recovery mode will open. So guys, this device is connected. Now you can see here iPhone 7 GSM, and now you have to select. After that you have to start, and for jailbreak this mobile, click enter, and now you have to press volume down and slide button, power button to hold. So guys, jailbreaking is start now. If you like my videos then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Booting device. So guys, do it. If you are new on my channel then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Jailbreak done. So now this device will restart. So guys, you have to click continue and next it. Connect Wi-Fi and next it. again show you how to sim not supported and do it. Don't skip my videos for the latest. After second step, you have to use again, you have to open this tool, and then you have to wait. Now you have to connect your mobile and unlock it. Click unlock. Unlocking your iPhone sim lock. Please wait. You can see her. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and don't forgetting bell icon for the latest videos notification. Unlocking your iPhone sim lock. So guys, unlocked, this mobile is unlocked now, and you can see here. Now click continue it. So guys, sim card is working now, you can see here. This mobile sim unlocked. ISO latest version. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. You can see here. SIM card is working now. So now bye. Be back later. See you next.